Tellem.tv.
So you're going to think that the worst case, the road's going to drop it and it's incomplete. The ball is bouncing all around right there. I thought he may have hit the crack it up. No chance. He is all over that. And big number 57 guy, Darius, has been a big factor. He's the young man who knocked the Gilbert boy out. He's had a lot of opportunities to get pressure on Gilbert. And this time, very alert. Keep in mind, he's 300 pounds. What an athlete. That's exactly what this team needed. He's been waiting for that opportunity to get the ball.
This is my playground. Rappers on to the they riding the brain. But they gonna stay round now. My level got surround sound. I'm harder than loud. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I'm like, get back, give me that. Get the king is strong. I'm like, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I'm like, get back, give me that. Get the king is strong. Honey, I am home. Walk into the dealership. Add another word to my collection. I don't get, and don't forget, this is the
Gilbert here, he just walks in and didn't even see Javier Arenas throws it right into his chest. And yeah, that's just part of being a young quarterback. As soon as he threw it, he knew that he had made a mistake. Arenas has had a brilliant career in his years in Tuscaloosa.
Another extra point.
He's got just as much speed, maybe even a little bit more than the Heisman winner Ingram.
Turn my swag on. Took a look in the mirror, said what's up, yeah, I'm getting my head. I had about the bed. Turn my swag
to the national champions, and to do that is ACC Commissioner and BCS Commissioner John Swofford.
John, thank you very much. On behalf of the institutions of the 11 conferences that participate in the Bowl Championship Series, let me first of all congratulate both of these teams on tremendous seasons and a great effort tonight. And now, on behalf of the American Football Coaches Association, it is my distinct pleasure to present the Coaches Trophy, symbolic of this year's national champions, to Coach Nick Saban and the University of Alabama.
It hasn't been that long since you've been hoisting that trophy, back to 2003, but that's another story with another school. It's been a long time for Alabama. 1992, their last national championship. So talk about what it means for the Alabama faithful. Well, first of all, this is something that is special for the state of Alabama. It's special for the University of Alabama.